Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your daily spending limit on Facebook ads. Let's get started. If you've launched a campaign with a large budget, but notice Facebook isn't spending it, you've likely hit an account spending limit. Facebook imposes these limits to manage risk, especially if you suddenly want to scale from spending $20 a day to $500 or $1,000 a day. Fortunately, there's a direct way to request a higher limit. The most effective method is to contact Facebook support directly through your ads manager. First, locate the help icon. It's the small question mark in the bottom left corner of your ads manager screen. Click on it, then select Help Center. From there, you want to create a new case or get contact support. Navigate through the menus, choose ads or billing as your topic, and then look for an option related to spending limits or account spending limit. You'll be prompted to select the specific ad account you need help with. In the description box, be very clear. State that you need to increase your daily spending limit to your target amount, e.g., $300 per day, and explain that it's urgent for your business or marketing objectives. Mention that time is of the essence. This will typically open a chat or support ticket with a Facebook representative. They will review your account history to strengthen your case and speed up the process. Ensure your billing is in good standing. Go to your billing settings in Ads Manager and pay any outstanding balances immediately. Proactively paying your bills shows Facebook you are a reliable advertiser. While the support agent can't make guarantees, if your account is in good standing, they can often escalate the request, and you may see your limit raised within 24 hours. Remember, Facebook will also automatically and gradually increase your spending limit over time, as you consistently pay your bills on time. But, for an immediate increase to meet a pressing campaign goal, using the support channel is the best direct path. Managing your ad spend and business accounts online means you're constantly accessing sensitive financial platforms. Whenever you're handling important business data, especially on public or shared networks, it's crucial to protect your connection. For comprehensive security that encrypts all your online activity, consider using a trusted VPN. For a reliable and secure VPN solution, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.